Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a lip product declutter. I have all of my lip products here. These are all my liquid lipsticks, lip glosses, lip liners, lipsticks. These are my lip kind of pencil type ones, and then these are like tinted lip balms. So I'm going to go ahead and sort these out and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have all of my lip liners, and these are like my chubby pencil type lip products. And let's see, for my lip liners, I have an LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner in the shade Ultimate Wine. I have them all swatched here, but this is that one. I have another shade somewhere, but I couldn't find it, but I do really like these, so I'm definitely keeping these. I'm actually probably going to keep all these lip liners because I don't have a whole lot, but this is the Wet n Wild Lay Down the Mauves. The second one, Wet n Wild Bear to Comment. Yes, Bear to Comment. These two are the same. They're the Rimmel Exaggerate Full Color Lip Liner. These are both in East End Snob. I've had these for a while, but I'm still going to keep them. They're both that shade. Keeping those. That's probably my more pinky kind of tone one. This is the Milani Color Statement Lip Liner. I have it in Bordeaux. And this one is Spice, Haute Pink, and True Red. And this one is just a clear one. So keeping all these for sure. For these I have some from NARS, Tarte, NYX, ColourPop, e.l.f., and Flower Beauty. So let's go ahead and go through these. These two are the NARS. These were like a birthday gift that you got. I think it was from Sephora. They came together. This one is the Satin Lip Pencil in Rakujan and the Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in Cruella. Yeah, Cruella. I really like these. I've had them for a really long time though, and Cruella kind of smells funny, and this formula just doesn't feel as good as it used to. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these. Next we have the Tarte lip pencils. Let's see, I have these are called Lip Surgent Lip Creams. Here they are swatched. This one is in Decadence, the middle one is Regal, and the last one is Adorn. They actually all look very similar, and I don't remember them all looking similar before, so I think they have gone bad. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of these. I did like these. They smell minty. I like that, but I've just had them too long. This one is the Tarte Lip Surgent Lip Cream in Flashy. This is it right here. I'm going to keep this one actually. I really like this one, and it doesn't feel like it's gone bad or anything. So keep that. This one is the Tarte Lip Lingerie Matte Tint and Revealed. It's just like a brown kind of shade, and I probably won't wear that, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that one. Next is the NYX High Voltage Lipstick in Flutter Kiss. Yes, Flutter Kiss. I remember liking this one. This one's another old one. I love that color. It is starting to have a funny smell to it, and I know I've had it a really long time, so I love the color. I don't even know if they make this color anymore, but I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this. Yeah, get rid of that. This one is from e.l.f. It's the shade Mulberry Maven. This one I picked up at the Dollar Tree. I think it's just a lip pencil. It doesn't say if it's the matte lip pencil or not. Yeah, I think it is. It's very dry, and I don't think I'll wear it because it is just dry feeling just automatically going on, so I know it's going to make my lips feel dry. So I'm going to pass that one on. It's a pretty shade though. This one, ColourPop Lippy Stick in Lumiere. This is a recent purchase for me. Pretty, I love it, keeping it. And these are all the Flower Beauty Hydra Silk Ultimate Lip Butters. And I don't know if they make these anymore, because I know Flower Beauty came up with like new lip products and all that, so I don't know if they just redid these or just discontinued these, but I actually really like these, but I think these two I could probably get rid of For one, they look like the same shade. This one is Ruby Petal, and then this one Poppy Petal. This one has slightly bit more orange to it, but with this kind of a shade, since these are like a Hydro Silk kind of a lip butter, they're going to move around a lot, and I don't want to take that chance. I know I have some other lipsticks that are similar to that don't move around so much, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these. These two I know I'm going to keep. This one, let's see, this one here is Naked Petal. It's just like a real pretty nude. So I'm keeping that one. And this one, a little sticker come off, but I think it's called Rose Petal or something like that. This one is one that I keep in my purse. This one is perfect for just putting something on. You don't even need a mirror because it's like very close to my lip shade. So that's what it looks like. And this is kind of similar to that, just has a little bit more pink to it. So definitely keeping this one. It's going back in my purse. Okay, these are my lip balms and my tinted lip balms. I know for a fact all of these are all Revo lip balms. I never use them. They're just like the little, kind of like the EOS ones. I never use these, so I'm going to go ahead and just give these to my daughter. She might want them. These are just lip oils. These are from Milani. I like these, and this one is almost used up. You really don't get a whole lot of product in there by the time you get the little applicator in there, because it's so huge. But I like them. I'm going to keep these. These two probably could have went in my little chubby stick little section there, but they're Neutrogena Moisture Color Sticks. I have Fresh Papaya and Juicy Peach, and I actually really like these. They're moisturizing and they give a little bit of color. So yeah, I think I'm going to keep both of those. These are the Revlon Kiss Balms. This one is it's coconut, I think. Yeah, tropical coconut, and it's just clear pretty much. But I haven't had that long. I'm going to keep that one. This one is in cherry. I actually really like this one. It gives like a real cute... I really like this one. It gives like a pink tint to your lips. So, and it smells good. So I'm going to keep that. These two, this is a Neutrogena Revitalizing Lip Balm in Soft Caramel. And actually, I just looked at the bottom there and it says it is expired in January of 2018. So I think I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that and probably get me a new one. Because I actually really like it. I like the color. I think I want to try other colors though. I like this one. And I don't know if you can even see, but it just gives like a slight tint to your lips. And it smells pretty good too. So I'm going to get rid of this one, but I'll probably repurchase this. This is the e.l.f. Bare Kiss lip balm, I guess. I don't, e.l.f. never puts what the name of it is on there. Doesn't feel very moisturizing, and I have something kind of similar, so I think I'll get rid of this one. This is the Chapstick Total Hydration Moisture and Tint in Merlot. I love the Total Hydration lip balms. I don't like this shade. It's kind of patchy on your lips, and I don't care for it. I might try one of the lighter colors, but so I'm going to get rid of this. I do have like the clear ones that I really like. These are CoverGirl Sugar. I don't know if they still sell these, but I actually really like these. My favorite is Caramel. As you can tell, it's almost all gone. So that's Caramel there. And let's see. I have Soda. To a pretty pink. And Spice. It's actually kind of similar to Soda. Maybe I'll get rid of one of these then. And this one is Gumdrop. This one has a bit more purple in it. So, I know I'm keeping Gumdrop and I'm keeping Caramel. I think I'm going to keep Soda and get rid of Spice. Yeah. They're very similar. So I don't think I need both, so I'm going to get rid of that one. Keeping those. These two are from IT Cosmetics. This one is the Je ne sais quoi Velvety Lip Flush, and it's just like it's one that kind of turns colors based on your pH or whatever. And I actually really like both of these. This one, it got all messed up, like the tip of it, because my daughter didn't close it all the way and put the cap on it, so she smushed it. But this one is the Je ne sais quoi Your Perfect Pink. It's another one that changes color on your lips. So I actually really like both of these, so I'm going to keep both of these.